Welcome to the National Weather Service in Burlington, Vermont's presentation on hail for Severe Weather Awareness Week. How does hail form and grow? First, you need a thunderstorm with a strong sustained updraft to push water droplets above the freezing level, depicted by the red arrow. The hailstone starts as a small ice particle in the cloud that falls below the freezing level and becomes coated with water. Then it gets caught in the updraft, which brings it above the freezing level, where the liquid water coating the ice particle freezes to become part of it. In addition, the ice particle collides and combines with supercooled water droplets or smaller pieces of hail and continues to grow. If the updraft is strong enough, this process may be repeated several times and the small ice particle becomes a hailstone. When the hailstone becomes heavier and can no longer be supported by the updraft, it falls to the earth. The stronger the updraft, the larger the hailstones a thunderstorm can produce. Hail can come in many shapes and sizes. It is larger than sleet and forms only in thunderstorms. When describing a hailstone, coins and other common round objects, such as a golf ball and fruit, are used to correlate the size of the diameter of the hailstone. The largest hailstone in terms of diameter and weight ever recorded in the U.S. fell on July 23, 2010, in Vivian, South Dakota. It measured 8 inches in diameter and 18.62 inches in circumference, weighing in at 1.93 pounds. Vermont's largest recorded hail fell on July 16, 2009, near Westford. The CXX radar shows a reflectivity core in purple of more than 65 dBz's of the thunderstorm that produced the record hailstone, circled in white. Here, we have two radar reflectivity cross-sections of the thunderstorm that produced the record-breaking hailstone in Westford, Vermont. The deep and very strong reflectivity core of 70 dBz's above 25,000 feet from TYX radar near Fort Drum, New York on the left indicates the potential for very large hail. On the right, CXX radar, located in Colchester, Vermont, shows 50 dBz's up to 40,000 feet, suggesting very strong updrafts associated with this supercell thunderstorm. This record-breaking hailstone measured 3.3 inches in diameter, had a circumference of 6.8 inches, and weighed 2.1 ounces. Hail is the second most costly weather phenomenon from severe weather. Hail can easily damage anything outside, especially farm crops. The magnitude of damage depends on how large the hail is and how fast it is falling down to the ground. How fast does hail fall? We really only have estimates about the speed of hail falls. Hailstone velocity is dependent on the size of the stone, friction with the air, the magnitude and direction of wind, collisions with raindrops and other hailstones, and melting as the stones fall through the warmer atmosphere. Because of these variables, a hailstone is not likely to reach terminal velocity. One estimate is that a 1-inch hailstone falls at 73 feet per second, or almost 50 miles per hour, and a 3-inch hailstone falls at about 90 miles per hour. Note, the formula to calculate terminal velocity is based on the assumption that you are dealing with a perfect sphere. Hail is generally not a perfect sphere. The National Weather Service categorizes 1-inch hail as being severe, as research has shown significant damage does not occur until hail reaches 1 inch in diameter. With 1-inch hail criteria, the public does not become desensitized to warnings being issued and will take protective action during a severe thunderstorm warning. Be prepared before severe weather hits. Have an emergency preparedness kit. Discuss thunderstorm safety with your family. Pick a safe place in your home to gather during a thunderstorm. This should be away from windows, skylights, and glass doors that could be broken by strong winds or hail. Make a list of items to bring inside in the event of a thunderstorm. Protect your animals by ensuring that any outside buildings that house them are protected in the same way as your home. During a thunderstorm, stay abreast of the situation by listening to local news or NOAA weather radio. Watch for signs of a storm, like darkening skies, lightning flashes, or increasing wind. Postpone outdoor activities if thunderstorms are likely to occur. If a severe thunderstorm warning is issued, take shelter. Shutter windows and close outside doors securely. Keep away from windows. If you are driving, try to safely exit the roadway and park. Stay in the vehicle and turn on the emergency flashers until the heavy rain ends. Avoid touching metal and other surfaces that conduct electricity in and outside the vehicle. If you are outside and cannot reach a safe building, avoid high ground, water, tall isolated trees, and metal objects such as fences or bleachers. Picnic shelters, dugouts, and sheds are not safe. Thank you for watching this presentation on hail for the National Weather Service Burlington Severe Weather Awareness Week. Please visit our website at www.weather.gov/BTV, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Twitter at NWS Burlington.